In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for inventory management. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use inventory board, a quick way to visualize stock levels, and a clear understanding of how to update key fields like manufacturer, quantities, and unit prices so your data stays accurate and actionable. Start by opening your Monday.com home. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want this board to live. On the top bar, look for the blue plus button. This is your shortcut to add new items to your workspace. Click it, then choose the Template Center. Templates are a great way to get up and running fast with best practice structures already in place, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Inside the Template Center, use the search bar and type Inventory. You'll see a variety of options, but select the Inventory Management template. Before you add it, take a moment to review its features. The preview will show you the kinds of columns included, typical workflows it supports, and examples of how items are organized. This quick check helps ensure the template aligns with your needs, like tracking categories, stock quantities, prices, and vendor details. When you're ready, click Use Template. Monday.com will create a new board for you with the pre-configured columns and views. Give it a moment to load, and you'll land on the main table view. This is where you'll manage your items, stock levels, and other details day to day. To see a high-level picture of your inventory, switch to the Chart view. Click the Chart tab and you'll get real-time visualizations based on the data in your board. This is especially helpful for spotting low stock, understanding distribution across categories, and monitoring trends without digging through rows. If the chart needs tweaking later, you can adjust which columns it pulls from to match your reporting preferences. Now return to the main table so we can walk through core updates. Let's open a sample group like Computers so you can see how items are organized within a category. If any columns feel cramped or too wide, hover between column headers until you see the resize handle, then drag to adjust. A little spacing can make the board much easier to read. Next, update the manufacturer on an item. Click into the manufacturer cell to open the drop-down list, then select a different option to change it. This is useful when a vendor changes or you're standardizing supplier names. If you have a lot of vendors, consider keeping naming consistent so your filters and charts remain clean. Update stock quantity by clicking the current number, for example 60, and typing a new value such as 80. Numeric cells accept direct input, and changes save automatically when you click away. Keeping this number accurate ensures your charts reflect the true picture and that reorder decisions are based on reliable data. Similarly, click the unit price field, for example $1,500, to edit the value. This column is typically formatted as currency, so you can type the amount and Monday.com handles the formatting. Pairing accurate unit prices with stock quantities gives you quick insights into on-hand value and budget impact. Take note of the other helpful columns in this template. You'll often see fields for reorder thresholds, stock check dates, order IDs, order status, and inventory on order. Reorder helps you decide when to buy more. Stock check dates keep your audits timely. Order IDs and statuses connect your inventory to purchasing activity so you know what's pending and what has arrived. Inventory on order gives visibility into what's incoming, which is vital for planning sales and avoiding overstock or stockouts. That's the core flow. Add the inventory management template, use the chart view for quick insights, work in the main table for edits, and keep key columns up to date. With consistent updates to manufacturer, quantity, and price, and by leveraging reorder and status fields, you'll maintain a clear, real-time picture of your inventory. Save your board, and you're ready to use it in daily operations.